Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Freecash. Once you're signed into your Freecash account, you'll see your balance in the top right corner. To cash out, click on your balance, and that will take you to the cash out section. Here, you'll see your available balance and any amount that's withdrawable soon. Freecash offers multiple withdrawal options, including PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, and more. For example, if you want to withdraw using PayPal, click on PayPal and choose the amount you'd like to cash out. You'll then be asked to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure this email is linked to your PayPal account. After that, toggle the confirmation options and click Withdraw. You also have other options like Google Play cards, Apple gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Visa prepaid cards, and even bank transfers. Keep in mind that bank transfers come with a flat 5% fee. If you choose a bank transfer, select the amount you want to withdraw, then enter your account holder name, account number, routing number, and postal code. Confirm that you understand the order is non-refundable, then click Withdraw. And that's it. That's how you cash out on Freecash. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru. I'll see you next time.